Welcome back to XTechie. We are going to see part 3, how to create REST API using vanilla Node.js. Connecting and reading from database. npm install MySQL. Then clean the code and import MySQL. Create the class, in the constructor, configure MySQL. Implement the method connect, query, and execute the query. Then, exports the database class. In controller file, change from JSON to database. Create new instance of database class. Then, implement command for execute the query. At last return query results. In the database class, we have converted from JSON to string. Because of that, no need convert in root file. In the database class, insert method for closing connection pool. And run the application. Here see the results. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the bell button to receive notifications.